Hello guys, welcome to my channel Booming World. This is my second video and in this video I am going to review Boat Stone 650 Bluetooth speaker. It's a very good speaker from Boat, having a rugged design and of course a very good quality sound. I'll give you a small sound test also in this video, so be with me. Let's get started. Okay guys, so this is the speaker. I brought this speaker from Amazon.in for 1999 and I must say it was a quite good purchase. The speaker is having three color variants and let's check out what is written on the outside of box. The packaging contains Bluetooth speaker, micro USB cable, 3.5 mm audio cable and a user manual. The Boat logo is on either side. This is the specification. It is showing already having 4.2 Bluetooth, HD audio, up to 7 hours of playtime, 1800 mAh battery, Aux and SD card compatible, integrated multifunction control, IPX5 water resistant and a sleek and elegant design. So the box is very good as you can see, and if you guys want to see the specification again, I'll show them once again because it is a little bit clear now. So if you guys want to see the specification, just pause the video and see it. So now we are going to open the box and let's see what are the other things than the speaker inside the box. So the speaker is here. It's a very good speaker. Let's take it outside. It's very good to hold in my hands, I must say. Yeah, very good. So we can see what are the other things inside the box. First of all, there is a micro USB cable for charging the speaker. You can use a 5-volt 1 ampere charger for charging the speaker, and an aux cable is there. It is useful when you want to connect your mobile phone directly to the speaker. Okay, so the next is the warranty card. This warranty card specifies some of the features of the speaker, and a 1-year warranty is written in this card. Mail ID, support number, everything is there. It's very good actually. So this next one is the user manual. So before you start using the speaker, I must say you must go through the user manual to get some information about the speaker. What are the things inside the package? What are the precautions to be made if the speaker is not working? And how you must use the speaker? Everything is listed neatly and nicely in this user manual. So please check that before you start to use the speaker. This is the warranty card. So let's keep all the things aside and come back to the speaker. It's very good speaker. Actually, the diamond shaped grill is very tough. It's very good, and the diamond shape absolutely gives the speaker a rugged design. This is a cycle mount for mounting the speaker to a cycle if you are going for a ride. So this is the buttons for volume increasing, decreasing, power button, play and pause, forward and rewind buttons. And on the other side there is nothing, smooth and clean. So this speaker is having one mic slot and a LED slot that shows the power variations of the speaker. And the speaker is having two speakers and one passive radiator. The two speakers, each one is of 5 watts, and the passive radiator is placed here. It will give bass. The speaker is actually a 10-watt speaker. I must say it's giving a thumping bass. If you are placing this on the top of bed, you can hear the shaking beats. Very good. Very rugged speaker. So I will give you a small sample of how the audio quality of the speaker is. So let's check out that.
Power on.
So let's power on the device. You can see the LED light blinking shows all the speaker is ready to pair. Then take your smartphone and go to the Bluetooth settings. There you can see it's not showing. Let me check that. Okay, now it's showing clear. You can see both tone 650 is written. Just tap on it and it will be paired. And let's play something that shows the quality of speaker. Let's check out.
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends sat at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. Well, I'm in love with your body. Oh, I'm in love with your body. Oh, I'm in love with your body. Oh, I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape. That I'd be at one. Oh, I know that dress is karma, perfume regret. You got me thinking about when you were mine. Oh, and now I'm all up on you. What you expect from you? Oh, you were running around, throwing that dirt all on my name. 'Cause you knew that I'd call you up. Baby, now that we're right here standing face to face, you already know that you won. Whoa, I know that just is gonna regret. You got me thinking about when you were mine. I'm all up on you. You expect you're not coming home with me tonight. Oh, no. You just want attention. You don't want my heart. Baby, you just hit the water me with some.
So guys, this is very good speaker, and of course it's having some pros and cons. It's a little bit bulky. The pros is that the speaker is very good. I forgot to show you the charging port. I'm sorry, charging port and aux port is here. Let's take it out, the covering. And the con is one of the problem I faced is that the speaker is having connectivity losing problem when we are within 10 feet meter. Actually they are showing us the specification like that, even we can use it within 10-meter range, but I must say the connection was losing even if it was about 5 feet. So this is for the slot. for memory card, charging, everything. I'm sorry I forgot to show you. So guys, this is the speaker, and please put your comments in the comment section and please support me. Thank you.